Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And for checking, it is okay to use mobile data, but to be honest, if you will find something and you will try to download it, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi because you can simply avoid some charges from your carrier. Alright, so first of all the internet and then the settings. Let's tap on them. Here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system updates. Let's tap on it and tap on check for updates. Now your device will check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there is nothing to download. Everything looks fine and you're using the latest software. However, you can also meet the second scenario where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and then apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.